The End of SaaS, a brave new world for business software. Recently, Microsoft Chief Executive Officer Satya Nadella had something really radical to say about enterprise software, that applications one day will cease to exist. In an interview for Bill Gurley and Brad Gerstner's podcast, Nadella made a prediction that came close to nothing short of an earthquake on the front of intelligent AI agents absorbing or replacing what now forms the logic driving today's apps. But at the core of his argument is a provocative simplification. Most SaaS tools, whether for HCM, ERP, or even spreadsheets, are little more than thin interfaces sitting atop databases, performing CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations. Historically, it was the unique business rules inside these systems that distinguished one from another. But in Nadella's worldview, those rules migrate to an AI tier, where agents coordinate tasks and make decisions across multiple backends, and there is no longer a need for differentiated applications.
Seamless from silos, the AI-orchestrated future. Nadella showed the audience Microsoft's roadmap for itself, and with the evolution of Dynamics, its suite of ERP and CRM tools, it is collapsing those into AI-driven solutions rather than expanding these products with more manual features. Welcome Copilot, an AI layer that can do the work of finance, operations, and customer management simultaneously. But now imagine a workplace where the heavy lifting is being done not by interfaces, but by AI agents. They pull data from one database, they update another. Workflows are triggered without forcing users to navigate separate systems. Applications, in that paradigm, become data containers for AI to access as needed, rendering the traditional interface largely redundant.
Why do we even need Excel? Nadella's comments about Excel give a sense of the scale of that shift. Spreadsheets have been the lifeblood of business for decades, yet he almost casually raised a question over whether they were relevant in an AI world. Why would humans ever have to laboriously build formulas or macros if an AI agent can write Python code to do the data analysis, surface insights, and generate visualizations? In that world, Excel stays as the scratchpad, a place where data visualization will happen while intelligence and decision-making happens from AI itself. It would be a pretty bold call for Nadella, the previously indispensable tools of business, just mere extensions to the next-level AI layer.
The broader picture: rethinking software, security, and roles. This AI agent-driven future brings into question a number of aspects for businesses, developers, and HR leaders alike. How will organizations ensure security and privacy when AI agents access multiple data sources? Can enterprises trust AI to handle sensitive tasks, such as approving invoices or updating financial records? What skills will be required to construct and manage AI-native systems where interfaces may be transient? As Nadella suggests, applications like Word or Excel may endure, but only as specialized canvases invoked by AI when required. Eventually, even these interfaces could vanish, replaced by dynamic AI-generated alternatives. The implications for HR professionals are huge. As software gets more conversational and less siloed, so roles will change. Developers might move from front-end design to AI training and data strategy. Meanwhile, new roles may be built up in refining and regulating AI behavior altogether.
A paradigm shift in the making. Nadella's comments are not a shot in the dark. The investments Microsoft has made in OpenAI, the introduction of AI into flagship products such as Dynamics and Excel, and tools like Chatbase all point to a sea change. The software industry, long mired in single-point applications, seems ready to move toward an agentic paradigm, one in which AI handles logic, integration, and workflows seamlessly across systems. The implications are staggering. If AI can unify the tasks once performed by distinct applications, the very notion of software could be turned on its head. Instead of opening software, we will ask it to converse. Instead of logging in thousands of times, we talk to it.
What comes next? While some envision this transformation as incremental, others see it as immediate. Either way, HR professionals, technologists, and business leaders would be wise to prepare. After all, when one of the world's largest software makers declares that the era of apps is coming to an end, it's a shift worth paying attention to. The question is not whether AI will reshape the workplace, but how quickly and how profoundly it will do so. Are you ready for the rise of the AI agent?